Welcome to day 101 of 365. We're working on spin still. Grab your dog, some treats, and be ready to use a clicker or marker. Let's go ahead and start out with 5 to 7 reps of the exaggerated hand motion spin, including the word before we start the hand motion. Let's see if we can start to cut our hand motion short and do a smaller circle or do half of a circle. Again, we're saying the word first and then we're doing the hand motion. A lot of other cues, it's easier to fade, but since spin is very close to sit, I've run into a little bit of a problem with him wanting to sit or lay down instead of doing the spin. Now a hand target. Another hand target. Let's request a down. Let's go back to the spin and do exaggerated hand motion. Now a hand target. Let's do 5 to 7 reps of that more exaggerated hand motion. Summer's two favorite current behaviors are going in between my legs and also going around my body. So I keep having to back up to prevent him to do those behaviors instead. Now a hand target. Let's wrap up with 2 more reps of the spin. Thank you for joining me for day 101 of 365. See you tomorrow.